Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Stars in Your Eyes. Today we are going to see how do airplanes get fresh air to breathe. Aircraft systems are designed to keep the pressure at a suitable level for humans while ensuring we have fresh air and comfortable temperature. This system is called as passenger cabin air ventilation. Airplanes work on a 50 by 50 share of internal and external air. What air is used? Fresh air is continuously introduced during the flight. A plane's jets are sucking in and compressing huge volumes of air to burn with the aviation kerosene fuel to power the engine. Some of this is diverted for the passengers to breathe. Let's see how air comes in. The fan. The fan is located at the front of the engine and is the primary air intake. Large spinning blades suck in vast quantities of air. The compressor. The compressor squeezes the air drawn in by the fan blades, compressing it into a smaller volume and increasing the pressure. Compressing the air increases the potential energy and it concentrates the oxygen molecules for more efficient combustion in the next stage. The combustion chamber. The combustor introduces fuel into compressed air and ignites the mixture, creating a high pressure expanding gas. This is the hottest section of the engine, where energy is released from burning fuel and temperatures can climb over 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. The combustor is lined with fuel injecting nozzles and an igniter to spark the reaction. The turbine. The turbine is another series of rotating blades that are driven by high pressure air leaving the combustor. The nozzle. The nozzle is a cone-shaped duct at the rear of the engine. Combining with recirculated air. At this point, the air has a high temperature. It will be cold and will go through the mixing chamber. It is then mixed with recirculated air from the cabin. So it is a 50 by 50 share of recirculated air and fresh air. The HEPA filter. High efficiency particulate air filter is also known as HEPA filter. About 50% of a cabin's air gets filtered through this HEPA system. The remaining 50% is fresh and piped in from outside the plane, but also gets filtered through this filter. Officially, certified HEPA filters block and capture 99.97% of airborne particles over 0.3 micron in size. Clean air into cabin. The mixed and filtered air then travels through air ducts on the plane. Keeping a comfortable temperature in the cabin is managed automatically by aircraft systems. You can even change the temperature if it's hot or cold. Now the air goes out. The air is then sucked out below the window seats. 50% of the air goes out. The remaining 50% gets mixed with the fresh air through the mixing chamber and again gets filtered by the HEPA filter. Fun fact: cabin air is completely changed every 3 minutes on average. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Thank you for watching my video. Check out my other videos.